Welcome to the channel. We got a special NFT project to talk about today. It is called Bat Cowl Collection. This is an NFT for the DC universe. But before I start and give you a breakdown of how amazing this particular NFT is, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, guys. So please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. This is a very special NFT project. This is a project that has the potential to grow into something very huge, and that is why this NFT should be on your list to get. This is a NFT for the DC universe. The website is nft.dcuniverse.com. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below of my channel Educational Network. You can head over there and check it out. Now, the first impression that you get is absolutely brilliant. This is connected with the Batman. Now, anyone that is interested in the Batman knows exactly what the story is all about, but we're going to go and give you a breakdown. It is going to be minted on the 26th of April 2022 in 5 days. So heed the call and join the faction for the Bat Cowl Collection. And that is why this is going to be one of the biggest NFT project that we're going to come across. Now, claim your cowl, create a new legend. Batman is building a faction to defend Gotham. Collect one of the 200,000 unique Bat Cowls and unlock a 2+ year roadmap of features and fun. The Bat Cowl Collection will be integrated into the future stories from the DC Comics. It is priced at $300 and you can join their Discord and get notification. The Discord is literally the place that you will get reliable information about any NFT and this particular NFT as well. So if you're not joining their Discord, join their Discord. So get reliable information about the NFT so you can make a sound judgment and make a sound investment into your future. Now, obviously, this is a very unique NFT. As you can see, it's a 2-year journey featuring update every 52 days. As the story unfolds, Batman will upgrade your Bat Cowl with new features, unlocking access to the wider world of DC and having a look at the amount of unprecedented access to exclusive products and collectibles, access to exclusive Bat Cowl apparel collections, and exclusive access to the benefits at a DC fan events, and advanced access to the DC NFT collections. The Bat Cowl Collection will be integrated into the future stories from the DC Comics. So obviously you get all of it with this NFT, and that is why this NFT is so unique. Apart from that, you get exclusive features, new functionalities for DC Fandom 2021 NFT holders, collections for the Bat Cowl holders only, new engagement and mechanics, unlock exclusive drops, and AR ready for social media integration, third-party wallet integration, and metaverse ready design for future experiences. As you can see, this is a combination of very unique and different cowls, and obviously each Bat Cowl is unique, featuring components, materials, patterns, and colors from the history of Batman. Your cowl will be generated on a purchase from over 2 billion possible combinations and 3 historical cowls, 10 light effects, 5 jaws, 192 materials, 6 dominoes, 20 backgrounds, 30 ear modes, and 4 forehead modes. And that is why this is going to be a very unique element that's going to come into existence. This NFT in itself is going to be huge. It's going to take off. It will actually capture the market the way no other NFT has captured the market. And the reason for that is they have a very interesting roadmap. Their journey is very interesting, and the way they have developed this and the way they're taking it and the levels that they'll be taking it to is quite unique. A 2-year journey of features and fun with something new every 52 days for all the Bat Cowl holders. And this is quite unique to this NFT. I've not come across any NFT that works in this manner, and I've done a lot of reviews which are available on my channel Educational Network of NFTs and play to earn games. So if you're thinking of investing in any NFT for that matter, you can always head over and get a breakdown of if that NFT is worth investing in or not. In April 2022 upcoming, which is right now, the purchase of your cowl, accept Batman's invitation and purchase your Bat Cowl starting from April 26th. Like a bat, this drop is blind. Your NFT will be revealed in May. In May 2022, unbox your Bat Cowl and discover the attributes, rarity, and storyline for the unique collectibles that you're going to have. In May 2022, the secondary marketplace, you can buy and sell any DC NFT minted on the Palm Network. Collections supported at launch include Bat Cowls, the Bat Collection, and the DC Fandom 2021. In 2022 and 2023, the exclusive access to the private fan forum for all Bat Cowl holders offering exclusive behind the scene contents, and more will be coming. And that is what makes it so unique. And the frequently asked questions what people tend to ask is that what is a blockchain, which we have gone in great detail, which is available on my channel, The Educational Network. I'm going to show you how many Bat Cowls you can actually purchase. Account holders may purchase as many Bat Cowl NFT as desired. There's a limit to how much a single account can purchase during a given period of time. The purchase limits for each verified DC NFT account is $3,000 daily and $5,000 weekly. When will the art of my cowl be revealed? It will be revealed in May 2022. And obviously, when can you buy a Bat Cowl NFT? You can buy it on the 26th of April at 12 o'clock Pacific time, and will be effective for 24 hours until 26th at 11:59. The general public sale will begin on the 27th and on May 3rd. So obviously, how can you pay for them? You can pay for them with your MasterCard or for your Visa card and with your debit card as well. And can you sell your Bat Cowl? Of course you can. The DC NFT will be eligible for listing on the DC NFT Universe Secondary Marketplace starting the May 2022. Guys, if you're interested in getting this particular NFT, I will highly suggest to do your research, look into it. I personally feel this is going to be a very unique NFT that's going to come into existence, and this NFT is going to create a lot of disturbance in the NFT space. If you're interested in different NFTs and play to earn games, you can head over to my channel, The Educational Network. You can check it out, and you can leave a comment in the comment section below on Facebook or on YouTube. I will definitely reply back to you. If you have any particular questions that you need to answer, you can always drop me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is available in the About Us section on my channel on The Educational Network. You can go over there and check it out. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel so you do not miss any of my videos. Until my next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.